friends, welcome to our channel. With a very fresh thought, I am here to share with you a video on Neem face pack. This trick is passed on by my grandmother to me, and I have made few changes to this tip and I find it very good result. So I'd like to share with you. For this we just need few ingredients. One of it is neem. The main ingredients is neem. I have taken fresh neem leaves and I have made it into paste with some water, adding it. So if it is hard for you to find fresh neem leaves, you can also gather the neem leaves once and you can let them dry. After, you can make them powder, and whenever you need this paste, you can add water to this and use this. But I prefer fresh paste. Now after that, here's some sandalwood powder. This is the normal sandalwood powder which you can get in the stores easily. And this is turmeric powder. If you feel allergic to this turmeric powder, you can just skip this. And one more and last ingredient is rose water.
So now let us prepare this face pack. First, into a bowl, let us take 2 to 3 tablespoons of neem paste. Then in this, add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. If you are allergic to this turmeric powder, just skip this. Add 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder and then rose water. Then mix this. It would be some kind of consistency like this. It should be somewhat thick. Okay. Now let us apply this on our clean face. We have to apply this very evenly. Once this is done, we have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes until this is dry. So friends, now this is completely dry. I'm going to wash my face and then come back.
So here I am, friends. After washing my face, I feel so fresh and clean. This is actually a multi-purpose face pack. This gives you fresh look and also this gives you instant glow. If you have any pimples or dark circles, if you use this continuously daily, you can use this. It will also cure those problems also. So friends, this is it for today's video. Try this for sure, and if you feel this really good, please do share with your friends and also like this video, and also don't forget to mention in the comment section the results you have got by using this.